at this point, I am going to take all my object, which is my background layer, and select everything all at once by compressing everything down and clicking on this dot right here. That basically selected everything that is in that layer, and I'm going to change this to black line and black fill. Whoops, wrong one. Sorry. I have to do that separately now. Okay, so the background image, release it and undo it. These, I try to cheat and it's got me. So get rid of these guys, select all of this, and now I could do a black fill in just the columns. Turn these guys back on. And there is my background. Okay, so I am going to collapse this, and I could probably lock this up as well. From here, I am going to create, I'm going to create, let's say, a program or zone diagram. So from here, I could go ahead and add a new layer, create a new layer, and let's say program. Okay, make that into the current layer. I'm going to lock up the background layer so I don't move any of that stuff, and go ahead and select, let's select the black stroke for now, and select something like a blue fill. Okay, with that I can use my rounded rectangle tool and select an area that's outside this area, so something like that. If I want to change the radius of the thing, I could do so, or I might just draw a new one. Radius right now is 0.25. Let's say 0.10. That's probably better. Okay, so get rid of that because I don't like that rounded piece, and use something like that in there. All right, and then I'll draw another one. Maybe this time I'll have a yellow fill, and go ahead and draw a rounded rectangle somewhere on the interior. At this point, I know I have some other stuff there, so I'm going to turn on the layer 1 and see that there's stairs in there. So that is, I guess that's all right. So that's stair 1, that's the area, and from here I could change, I think I'll change the stroke back to what is the same color. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and select that area, and if you could remember the transparency tool, you could change the opacity so that I could see through this area, or make the zone a little bit lighter. This one too, what was this one? 90%, so I'm going to change it to 30, so keep it something rounded up. This one is 100%, I'm going to change it to 30%, and there it is. Okay, so that would probably be my program diagram. So let's make a new layer above that, and let's call it, well, let's make that into a new video.